In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to instantly upgrade your Microsoft Planner plans to Planner Premium. This process is quick and straightforward and will cover everything you need to know from start to finish in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to enhance your project management capabilities or streamline team collaboration, upgrading to Planner Premium could be the right move for you. Let's begin by logging into your Microsoft 365 account. To do this, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Microsoft 365 login page. Enter your credentials carefully. That's your email and password associated with your account. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the suite of Microsoft apps. Here, you'll need to find Planner. This app may be directly visible, or you might need to select it from the app's navigation panel. With Microsoft Planner open, the next step is to locate your current plans. On the Planner dashboard, you'll see an option labeled My Plans. Give this a click. This section displays all the plans you have access to, both those you've created and those shared with your team. Take a moment to go through this list and identify the plan you wish to upgrade to premium status. After choosing the plan you want to upgrade, click Open. This action will bring you to the main interface of your selected plan, where you typically add tasks and organize your team workflows. Here you'll notice a navigation option called Timeline. Click on this. The timeline is a powerful feature in Planner Premium, allowing you to visualize tasks over time, which helps in better project tracking. At this point, you should see an option pop up that offers to convert your current basic plan to Premium. There's a button that says Yes, Convert Now. Go ahead and click this. Bear in mind that converting to Premium will provide you with new features like advanced analytics and reporting capabilities, which can significantly benefit your team's productivity. Once you've initiated the upgrade, the conversion process will start. This may take a few moments. It's an automatic procedure, so you don't need to worry about manually making changes or affecting your current tasks and settings. Everything remains preserved, only now with enhanced functionality and more robust features at your disposal. And that's it. You've successfully upgraded your Microsoft Planner plan to Planner Premium. This upgrade provides you with more control and insight over your projects, making it an invaluable tool for collaborative team efforts. I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful and made the upgrade process seamless. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching and enjoy your new Planner Premium features.